Hi, my name is Terrence, and this video is basically to give you an idea of my research idea and what I've been doing in my research so far. So my research idea is to program an AR Parrot drone through a laptop and to send the Parrot drone instructions from the laptop. Basically, these instructions will be a text file which has been converted into a script file, and the file contains instructions for the drone on its flight plan, where to go, how high to fly, where to land, exactly what movements it should make or maneuvers it should take whilst it's in the sky. So so in this video, I'm going to show you what happens when I send it a text file, a script file. There is the drone. And now I'm going to connect the laptop to the drone. Okay, now the laptop is connected to the drone, and I'm about to feed it the text file, which contains the instructions on what to do. So now this is a live video feed coming directly from the drone. Now the drone is going to take off. So basically the flight plan is to take off, rotate counterclockwise and clockwise, go forward and then land. So now all of this is hands off. So that's a sample of what the drone does when it receives a text file. Long term, I hope to stop controlling the drone with instructions from the laptop and control it using hand gestures from an Xbox 360 Kinect. And once the drone is able to identify and do image processing with what it sees, then hopefully we can develop it into swarm capabilities. Okay, so that's what I've been working on. I hope this is very interesting, and I hope you like it. Thank you.